In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install AliExpress. Even though the title mentions downloading and installing, the key thing to know upfront is that AliExpress doesn't offer an official downloadable app for computers. The way you access it on a PC or Mac is simply through a web browser, and I'll walk you through that clearly so you can start shopping with confidence. Begin by opening any modern browser you're comfortable with, like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. Using an up-to-date browser helps pages load correctly and keeps your connection secure. Once your browser is open, head to the address bar at the top and type aliexpress.com, then press enter. You may also see the site adapt to your region, such as a country-specific version. That's normal, and you can continue right from there. When the homepage loads, look toward the top of the site for the sign in or register options. If you already have an account, choose sign in and follow the prompts. If you're new to AliExpress, select Register to create your account. Registration is straightforward and sets you up so your orders and preferences can be saved, making future visits smoother. If the page layout looks slightly different, don't worry. Websites sometimes update their design. The sign in and register options are typically in the top right corner or under a profile icon. After you're signed in, you can start shopping directly from the website. Use the search bar to find specific items or browse through categories to discover new products. You can view product details, compare prices, and read reviews to help you make informed choices. When you find something you like, add it to your cart or wish list so you can keep track of it as you continue browsing. Here's an important reminder. There is no official AliExpress desktop app for Windows or Mac. If you come across a website or ad offering a downloadable PC application for AliExpress, avoid installing it. Those downloads can be unsafe or misleading. The official and recommended way to use AliExpress on a computer is exactly what you're doing here, through the web browser at aliexpress.com. That's all you need to get up and running. Open your browser, go to aliexpress.com, sign in or register, and start shopping directly on the site. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your shopping experience safely and easily in your browser.